Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and essential focal point of this digital currency is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance accumulation specialist organization 1inch Trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications. To give some examples, which can be based on the stage, execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee ease of use, security, and usefulness, 1inch has acquired remarkable importance. Before we start with point-by-point 1inch cost expectation, really look at the outline. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch disseminated numerous tokens. Be that as it may, the local token 1inch became popular as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost gauges related news began circling on the lookout. The most important variable that moves development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and moderateness that empower speedier execution upgrades, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades. 1inch associations. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there was rivalry among opponents to trade through 1inch in light of token cost. As said by Sergej Kuntz, fellow benefactor at 1inch organization, right now the 1inch conglomeration convention is now conveyed on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity convention and the 1inch administration convention are supposed to grow over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and merchants getting to 1inch by means of others like Polygon benefit tremendously. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in light of token cost. The 1inch test system. The aforementioned move of trading digital currencies gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so forth. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the fundamental Ethereum blockchain. Endeavor 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized particulars to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among undertakings advancing liquidity mining. 1inch value expectations, market opinion. 1inch can be a productive venture choice in the DeFi area. In view of our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is 5 cents. As indicated by our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. Furthermore, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. An aggressive bullish standpoint for 2022 has been made by our figure, making 1inch a beneficial venture on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will be an impeccable year for 1inch on the trade, and the determined greatest cost will be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period. In light of our 1inch future cost gauge information, the token could stretch around $325.22 before the current year's over, and by 2025, it might reach $1,434.20. The 1inch cost could arrive at somewhere near the $5 to $10 mark in the following couple of months according to our cost figure. At the hour of composing this crypto cost estimate, the ongoing cost of 1inch is exchanging around $1.28, and information demonstrates that the token has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, with a flowing stockpile of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. 1inch value forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that 1inch is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the outline. It is clear that 1inch also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it a significant speculation. 1inch value forecast 2023, going by the investigation of short and long haul cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for 1NCH cost for acceleration, particularly with other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the diagram. There is a gauge possibility of 1NCH causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $4.40. 1NCH value forecast 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is determined that 1NCH would run the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1NCH can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances in contrast with other digital currencies like BTC and ETH. 1NCH value expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as 1NCH coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely. Basically on the grounds that this year, no pivotal elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And it is guessed that a large portion of the harm done to the coin would be making a course for fixed work in every world economy. 1NCH value expectation 2026. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with a 1NCH cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Subsequently, it has supported the market opinion peculiarity radically. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on the long run for the 1NCH development following its worth intently as a speculation choice. Consequently, the 1NCH cost expectation 2026 remaining parts very uplifting, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December. 1NCH value expectation past 2026. Master dealers of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain as opposed to present moment because of the variable of unpredictability. With a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1NCH token toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically. By when 1NCH would be not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of digital currencies. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing cost $3.32 on the outline, making it profoundly productive. Is 1NCH a wise speculation? Indeed. Nonetheless, an expected level of investment is consistently prudent to post-perusing the market diagram for cost expectation watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required. In the event that you make a smart venture in view of cost forecast, keep a watch on the site. Is 1NCH a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and debates, 1NCH uncovers an extremely solid and dynamic indication of an environment for speculation. You are encouraged to fastidiously follow the 1NCH future value forecasts and specialized investigation. Where might I at any point purchase 1NCH? At the present time, you can purchase 1NCH at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your record arrangement at one of the trades that exchange 1NCH, you should move your advanced monetary standards like BTC or ETH portfolio from one trade to that particular trade.